Welcome to White Label Dating's The Inside Track, an exclusive video series bringing you all of the latest news from the online dating industry, tips and tricks to help you grow your online dating site's marketing campaigns, keeping you up to date with all of the latest product releases and enhancements from White Label Dating, and so much more. In this month's episode of The Inside Track, Seb, our head of White Label Dating, will be talking about how we've optimised how we review and take payments, leading to record-breaking conversion rates. Ross, our co-CEO, will be sharing our plans for new cloud-based messaging systems, as well as introduction to video calling, profiles, and stories. And finally, Dave, our Chief Revenue Officer, will be introducing our brand new dating dashboard, 6 new registration forms, and our plans for new network niches.
Hi everyone, my name's Seb and I'm the head of White Label Dating. I'd like to start May's Inside Track by giving you some insight into how our award-winning platform performed in April for our partners. April was an incredible month for same-day conversion platform-wide. As a reminder, same-day conversions are recorded when a basic registration upgrades their membership to a paid-for subscription on the same day that they joined the dating site. And in April, we saw our highest same-day conversion rate in over 3 years. Since January, historically our strongest performing month in the dating calendar, our platform's same-day conversion increased by 16% in April. May so far has shown a further 9% increase on top of that when looking at the monthly average so far. We're incredibly proud of how our platform is performing and supporting partners' growth as the first half of 2020 draws to a close. Combined with the impressive quality of traffic being driven to both the mainstream and casual networks by our partners, we've also been working on a number of different projects to help keep the conversion rates high, which more importantly, boosts our partners' return of investment. One of these projects was to optimize the way that we review and take payments. The main goal was to focus on incremental gains and capture payments wherever possible. Our approach for payments has become far more granular, with deployments in mid-April that help to optimize payments on a browser and even on a device level. This led to the impressive improvements in our new sustained conversion rates in April and May, as I mentioned earlier, and as many of you partners have already commented on. We also spent some time auditing and analysing the payment failures across all acquirers and merchants, which led to more optimisations of the billing process and the prevention of fraudulent techniques. We've also been working with some exciting new AI and reporting tools to help with things like churn rate, payment alerts, growth of LTVs, and so much more. You may remember from last month's Inside Track that we touched on the improvements to our USA network. Since introducing a new native payment processor at the beginning of the year, conversion rate across the pond has shown a sustained increase of over 40% on our US casual network and over 50% on our US mainstream network. There are huge opportunities in the USA network. As well as the impressive conversion rates, the US is a largely untouched, untapped market and offers considerable opportunities for our partners to explore. The US also offers a lot in the way of portfolio expansion for many of our partners, and with a number of new and exciting niches on the horizon, there has never been a better time to broaden your portfolios. Our Chief Revenue Officer, Dave, will touch more on these new niches later in this video. We've identified some of the top locations in the USA to target based on where offers the healthiest cost per lead. We're committed to helping partners grow their US portfolios, so if you want to begin exploring this network, then please get in touch and we can help to guide you. It's such an exciting time to expand and explore, believe me. I'll now pass you over to our co-founder Ross, who is going to talk more about some of the exciting new projects we have on the horizon. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll catch up soon. Bye.
Hello, I'm Ross, the co-founder and co-CEO of White Label Dating. This month, I want to talk a bit about our brand new messaging system that will soon be rolled out across the entire White Label Dating platform. This new cloud-based messaging system is hugely scalable, and it will allow real-time messaging by our members, similar to that used by other platforms such as Facebook. Users will be able to send and receive photos and videos in real time and will be notified through their web browser the second they get a new message. The goal of the new messaging system is to increase engagement on the site, encourage members to send and receive more messages, keep them on the site for longer, and allow us to enable some future monetization options by introducing credit-based billing as well as usual subscriptions. We'll begin rolling out this new feature across WLD sites over summer. The other news I'm really excited about this month is video. Now, during the COVID-19 lockdown around the world, we've all seen an increase in video communication. Whether it's using Zoom for online meetings, FaceTime for calling friends, or Facebook Messenger rooms for getting together with friends using crazy backgrounds and filters. People are far more comfortable with video, and many dating apps have rolled out video chat functionality, so it's now becoming the norm and expected by users. Equally, as there are so many existing solutions, we wanted to consider what the upside would be for our partners and whether users would pay more for video or not. Video may seem simple, but there are issues around moderation to consider. In addition, why would users use a dating site's video feature rather than using WhatsApp, FaceTime, or other dedicated video tools? And would video improve conversion, retention, or yield, which is vital considering the considerable costs associated with supporting live video content and moderation? Now, I'm very pleased to say that after considering these issues, we will be releasing a number of video features across the WLD platform in the next few months, including video calling, video profiles, and video stories. And we've got more video features planned as user adoption increases. So keep an eye out for more news on this from your account manager in the weeks ahead. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dave. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at White Label Dating. In this month's Inside Track, I'll be talking all about the very exciting new dating dashboard. As well as this, I'll be giving you a guide on the 6 new registration forms available for A/B testing for our partners. I'll also cover some of the new network niching that we have planned for this summer. First and foremost, it's time to announce that the big kahuna has landed. The new WLD Partner Portal will soon be known exclusively as the Dating Dashboard. We've invested a 7-figure annual amount into the technology stack for the new dashboard, and we are incredibly excited to share it with you all. The dashboard is fully cloud-based with cutting-edge reporting and is completely responsive. The new dashboard houses long-term data for over 10 years, which will be a game changer for those long-tail patterns. The opportunities for optimisations and boosting your performance will be endless. This new dashboard is going to be completely self-serving. This means you can be totally in control of your dating business. You can create a site, set it live, and start driving traffic to it in the same day with no intervention from your account manager. We have some incredible reporting features that will be embedded into the dashboard, so stay tuned for more on that. And the first 3 phases of this entirely new portal will be available to top partners very, very soon. As you may have seen in April's Inside Track, we here at White Label Dating have created 6 new registration forms for all of our partners to A/B test. Lots of you already started to do this, following the advice of the account management team, and I hope to see more registration and landing page testing through the summer. Of the new 6 forms available, 3 of them are expanded. This means that all of the fields required for the user to complete are visible on site load. This also means that the user will be able to review each field before completing the registration process. We feel that the 3 expanded registration forms would be perfectly suited to being A/B tested across mature sites. We know that the mature demographic need to feel safe and comfortable with each of the step of the process, and we feel that the expanded option reinforces this for them. We have also worked on enlarging the size of the tick boxes at the end of each of the new forms. Our aim is to make every single step of the registration process easy and fast. With enlarged buttons, it is easy for the traffic to give their consent and complete that registration process. The user journey is key to us here at White Label Dating, and we feel that the new registration forms are going to boost this UX and ultimately the click-through rate of your traffic. Other registration forms available have an animated wizard that acts as a guide through the registration process. This new visual prompt is proven to increase click-through rate on sites in both the mainstream and casual networks. To see more of our new registration forms, head to our YouTube page now to see the registrations in real time. We do advise that any new registration form is implemented as an A/B test and we also encourage our partners to use programs such as Hotjar to monitor user behaviour. As you may be aware, here at White Label Dating, we've been working on expanding our network niching over the last few months. The goal of expanding the network niching is to lower acquisition costs, increase LTVs, and ultimately give greater ROIs. I'm excited to announce that we are now testing these new niches ahead of a rollout to partners. We've been working on ring-fenced niched networks that offer optimised email CRM for specific niches, optimised on-site merchandising, optimised user experience in terms of profiles, interests and characteristics, and ultimately we're going to make it business configurable niching for rapid scalability with the support of your partner manager. In June and July of this year, we will be launching niches such as mature, single parent and divorced on the mainstream network, and swingers, BDSM and marital dating on the casual network. We can't wait to work with all of our partners on expanding and broadening portfolios and having even more opportunities to earn revenue. There will be more launches coming in August, so stay tuned. This month is going to be rammed with all of this, as well as our new API registration ability, a CPL tool that's going to be coming to the dating dashboard, and new reporting that will be soon be available. So that's it from me this month. Don't forget to stay safe, stay alert, and if you have any questions, do reach out to your partner manager. We'll be happy to help.
Thanks for watching Maze Inside Track. Join us next month where we'll be sharing updates on all of the projects discussed today and more. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And more importantly, stay safe.